now I install I'm going to install the driver. So let's start it, guys. It's almost done. Okay, it's all set, guys. It's put a new belt on it, and yeah, the belt all the way in. So install the power steering pump reservoir bracket, and should be good to go. After you install it, make sure use a flashlight. Double check it, make sure the belt sit on the pulley right, so we don't want to get any damage. If you put wrong or you put not all the way in, you will get problem. Alright, it's all set. You see the new alternator down there, already installed it. So okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Any question, please leave me a comment below, and I'm going to to tell you more detail or more information as you need it. Okay, thank you so much.